Now, how does it work if you want to see your heart rate over a workout on the Apple Watch? In reality, it just means that you are, let's say, running or cycling, but you also want to see the current heart rate. And it kind of depends on which exact workout you are doing, but it is most definitely possible to do so. Because you can just start a workout using the regular workouts app. You can just click on start or whatever, and then you get the ability to swipe through it, right? So you can swipe up and down like that to see some different metrics. For example, if you get a running exercise, you can swipe to the distance and heart rate, but you can also swipe up and get the heart rate zones. So that is even more useful because, of course, if you pay attention to that, you might want to see it visually on the screen. But you can swipe up one more time and see some other data, which is not necessarily the heart rate. So at first, whenever you start your workout, just swipe up and down to see if the heart rate doesn't get revealed. A lot of times, this fixes the issue. But if it doesn't work, what you can do is to ensure that you choose like a different goal, right? So for example, you don't necessarily have to pick the time goal or open goal. You can go for the calories. And it might happen that inside of the calorie goal, you can track some different metrics and it does show it differently. So try checking out or exploring different goals to see if that makes any difference. And lastly, if it still kind of doesn't work, what you can do is to switch to a different kind of workout. So you can still go and pick the so-called other workout, which isn't anything specific. And using this one, you should have the ability to track the heart rate because, perhaps your selected one that doesn't have that. So you can just pick the other workout and that should most definitely give you that measurement. So I hope that made sense. Let me know below in the comments if you managed to fix the issue or if you managed to figure out what you wanted to do. Subscribe for more guides and videos like this one, and I'll catch you later.